guys, welcome to another one of my videos, and today I'm going to show you how to add, delete, and rename worksheet tabs on Excel. So as you can see, I have a little table created here about types of plants, and the name of this worksheet is Sheet 1. That's what Excel automatically named it as. But say I want to personalize it and name this worksheet plants, since that's what it's about. So all you have to do is to come down here to the tab. This is called a tab, and you want to double click that name, and you will see sheet 1 highlight, and all you have to do is to click backspace and type in the name that you want. And in this case, I'm gonna call this tab plants. And when you're finished, all you have to do is to double click out of the tab like this. And the tab is now named plants instead of sheet 1. Now say you want to add a new sheet to your workbook in Excel. All you have to do is to come here to this little plus sign that says new sheet and select it. And there you have a new worksheet in your workbook. So I'll be right back because I'm going to create a table that will be about animals. So I'm back with a new table on the new worksheet that we just added. And I made a table about animals, as you can see. And this worksheet was automatically named Sheet 5. But I want to personalize it, and I'm going to rename this sheet as well. So once again, you double click the tab name, it'll highlight, and all you have to do is to backspace and type in the name you want. And in this tab, I'm going to name it animals. And when you're finished, just double click out of the tab and it will be renamed. So this is the tab for plants, and this is the tab for animals. These are two different worksheets. Now let's say that I just want the worksheet about animals to remain and I don't want the plant worksheet anymore. All you have to do is to come down to the tab about the plants, or whatever you decided to call your worksheet, and right click, and you will have a list of options. You will see the delete option, and you're just going to select that, and Excel will ask you if you really want to delete this sheet, because once you delete it, it's permanently gone. But yes, I do want it to be permanently deleted, so I'm going to select delete. And there you have it. The animals worksheet is the only thing that remains. I hope this video was helpful.